power to the people and eliminate the evil. So if you agree with these, you can come. Welcome to Wakanda. Go and tell your father. Shit, you don't get a passport. It doesn't really matter. Praise God, hallelujah. Welcome to Wakanda.
What's up, everybody? And trying to back into the video, man. So, I just got the newest mod in the mail. Show you what it is real quick. Before I do that, I gotta wash the car real quick, man. So, see y'all on the beat. All right, I'm out. I just started some boxer real quick, but anyways, pretty much what it is a all catch can. Somebody might guessed it, but yeah, man, that's pretty much what it is, man. I should have done this a long time ago. This should have been the first thing I ever did, actually. But I got it on eBay. It comes with everything, all the tools and everything's mounted up. I'll put a link in the description. But well, yeah, I need to go wash my car real quick because it's nasty. And then I'm gonna show y'all how to install this, man. So it should be easy. Shouldn't take too long, man. But I'll see you on the beat. All right, I'm out. Excited, you know. I still have to assemble the all catch can before I install it. So I'm just gonna show you. It's pretty easy. It comes with this. I'll put the link also in the description, so you want to buy the exact same one. But it comes with this little things, and this pretty much just goes on the hose. So it comes with 4. That's the last one over here. And like I said, you just put it on top of the hose right there, one right here, and the last 2 go on this side and this side. So it could be a little bit difficult to put in, but you know, just put that in. And I'm gonna put it real quick because I can use one hand, but I'm sure the next step after that. I assembled it quickly. It's pretty easy. It comes with a smaller bolt that goes into this part right here, and then the bigger one goes back here. And then the drain part of it, you just screw that in here, and you screw in the part for the hoses. So it's pretty easy to mount. So yeah, you gotta do that first, and we'll put it in. Oh, and also don't forget, it comes with some silver things. And this just goes on top of the hoses. It comes with 4. So one here, and then there's the other one. It's not really important, but I guess it just makes it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, I'm gonna take it outside and let's go put this thing on. It's time to install this thing. Oh man, hopefully this thing goes quickly and smoothly. You know, with cars installed, there's always gonna be something. But anyways, you know, I'll pop that up first. Oh man, look how dirty this thing is, man. I'm just gonna wash it after. So, what I'm kind of worried about, I'm hoping I can install the catch can and still keep that cover on it, because I know some of the catch cans, like, you know, you might not be able to put the cover back on. So hopefully I can put that back. But anyways, you want to get a flathead? Where's my flathead? There it is. First thing, I want to pry out this. So this is basically the PCV. So you want to loosen this, take this out, disconnect, just take this hose off. It's gonna be, your car is really old. That's gonna be on there pretty good. That's why I need a flathead to kind of like pry it out. So yeah, it's gonna take a while, but I'm gonna do it real quick because I can't do it with one hand. I already got it out. It actually came out pretty easily. Wasn't as bad as I thought. Okay. So, see, I actually even caught myself just now, just trying to take it out, man. Oh well. But yeah, that's first thing to do. And second, now we're just gonna mount it. I'm not quite sure where it's supposed to be mounted. I think it's here. We'll see. Alright, so I'm pulling for an inspection. I don't think I'll be able to keep this cover because I think I'm supposed to mount it right there. And there's like a little clip right there. This one, you have to like take it out. Just get something and try this. Damn, I think I broke it. But yeah, this is the hole you need right here. So you just try to get something and pry that out. Oh man. Alright guys, I am a dumbass. I'm the biggest dumbass. I'm the biggest. Anyways, I kind of messed up. So, you remember this side that I told you get this thing off, like the clip thing? So, I just realized the hard way what the point of this things were. The point of this, because that bolt is too long, if you can remember. So because the bolts is too long, I think you're supposed to put this on the bolts, so that way all the bolts, everything doesn't go in here. So I tried putting the bolts in without this, obviously, and here's what I did. I completely broke it. So the bolt is stuck in there. Almost half of it is broken. What's the other one? If I can show y'all. Look at it. So yeah. So that was just my mistake. Now if you really still want to use the so obviously I can't use the Z bracket anymore, so that's useless. I mean, I can still use it, but the only way I can use it now is if I mount it on this side right here. Well, the problem with that, then I have to get a longer hose, which is gonna be able to reach it on this side. So what I'm gonna do, which I just realized, that I could just mount it right on this bolt right here. Like, it just goes in like this and just screws in. And I think it's better if I do it this way, because if I put it on here, I'm pretty sure I can still put my cover back on it. Whereas if I put it right here with the Z bracket, I will not be able to use the cover. So it always still works out fine, but just, you know, quick heads up, before you put the long bolt in, it comes with 2 of these, so you know, make sure you put both of them in there. You know, if you just try putting it without the bolt, you're just gonna snap it. So I learned the hard way, but you know, like I said, it still works out. But I'm gonna put this in there right now, and I'll show what it looks like again. Alright guys, just finished installing it. Oh man, I'm never gonna lie, this took a little bit longer than I expected. Man, it was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I finally got it done. So you know, remember what I said about me breaking this, so I had to use this one. This one went in just fine, but the other holes was a little bit short, so I had to use the I think you're actually supposed to use the stock one. So I used the one that was there already. I just put one of those feed-ins that came with the packaging, and I routed it. It's kind of sitting sideways, but you know, I can just, yeah, that's fine. But yeah, at least I finally got it in. I had to take out the auto sensor actually, just so it was a little easier for me to put it in. But everything went on fine. It's pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Damn, I'm kind of tired. It took me about 30 minutes. My hands all dirty. Well, at least I made it work. I'm pretty sure maybe because I just got a cheap one. If you get one of the more expensive one, I'm pretty sure it'll be a lot easier. But you know, I mean, I kind of did mess up my part though, but everything still went on pretty fine, so it's all good. But anyways, that's all I got. I still gotta go wash my car, but I'll see you on the next one, man. Then 300. I'm out.